guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I don't have any travel vlog for you guys because in this video I'm gonna check out my DJI Pocket 2 combo creators. So let's get started. So guys, I took everything out from the box. Here you can see I don't have anything inside the box, and I mean almost everything. So now I'm gonna show you what I got in DJI Pocket 2 Combo Creator. Oh my god, look at this guys. This is the most cutest and tiniest tripod I have ever seen in my entire life. Look at this guys, this is so cute. Oh my god, and I'm gonna have fun with this while making videos. And here's the camera guys. Oh my god, look at this guys. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. And it has a carrying case as well for the camera. So oh my god, look at this. Just look at this, it's so cute. Oh my god, look at this guys. A wide angle lens, and this will give you even wider field of view guys. Look at this, it's so cute. So guys, here you can even switch the bottom part, and now I'm gonna use it with tripod, with this cute little tripod. Look at this guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. And guys, this is the really great combo because they included a lot of things here. And see guys, here we have two adapter as well, which you can use to connect to your smartphone and maybe in USB-C. So guys, you can connect this to your smartphone as well with the help of this adapter, just like this. Ta-da! And look at this guys, this is a cute little joystick which will help you to have even more precise movement while making videos. And guys, here I have a little wireless microphone as well. And guys, this little windsock can go right on the top of the microphone, just like this, and you can put your microphone wherever you want, like this, while making videos. So guys, I'm ready with my DJI Pocket 2 Combo Creator, and I'm very excited to shoot videos with this cute little camera, and hopefully I will have a nice videos in future with this camera. So if you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.